Okay, so hello, guys, how are you? I think my voice is clear. Just let me check is the voice clear or not. Give me a minute, guys. Okay, I need to check my voice, okay? Just give me a minute. Okay, I need to check my voice, okay? Just give me a minute. Okay, so I think everything is okay, and today I will start my another stream. And the stream is about all about a new machine of proving play grounds. The machine name is Slort, and we got the IP already. So scan the IP, start in with a map. So let's go with a map. You have some IP and we had all the filters. So I'll start the NF and we start the map and let's wait for the result, guys. We had all the filters. So I'll start the NF and we start the. Okay, so let's see which port is open or not. Let's wait for the result, guys. Let's wait for the result, guys, of map. Let's wait for the result. We'll be on the chat. And we start then. Wait for the result, guys, of map. Actually, then map is result getting so slow. Let's wait. Okay, give me a minute, guys. I'll just net I'll check the OBS filter is properly working or not. Give me a minute. So why is not working? Yeah. Actually, then map is getting so slow. Okay, let's wait. Okay, okay. So the map is taking so many time. What happened with the map? Is my IP okay? 4, 5, 2, 5, 5, 3, 2, 5, 5, 3. Okay. It will take time. So sorry for that. I think I need to use D5, so it will fast. Let's wait. Okay. Okay. So let's see the result. And I found some interesting ports here. The FTP is open. 135 emergency, that's not required. 445 MyBDS and 3306 is a MySQL server, and 4443 is a HTTP. Okay, then I have 5040 TCP and 7680 TCP and 880 TCP HTTP again on this or the Microsoft ports. So let's going with the IP recognition. So I will put the IP with the first HTTP port. The HTTP port name is 4443. Okay, let's wait for the. Uh, okay, so we have some good web page here. Let's be clear. Good web page here. So I need to use Ghoster in this page. So I just use Ghoster here. Okay. Uh, okay, the full URL here. Okay, let's copy that and let's paste it. And okay, the image is the Ghoster is running on the side, and let's see what for the result of the Ghoster. Okay. Okay, so we have some IDs. So let's copy the URLs and I need to check that. Okay, another interesting here. The other one is site. Site. Okay, okay. Let's see. Is there anything else here? Okay, API. What's something interesting here? Should be interesting here. Nothing. Portfolio. Nothing. The same thing is here. Okay, so I see something interesting here. Okay, after a lot of changes, I found that this in the URL. I look for the URL like where I just going in any of the pages about service drop down contacts. So the main.php sometimes it's contact.php or something. So I think it should be an LFI vulnerability. Let's see is there any LFI vulnerability is working here or not. So let's sorry, let's put some Windows command here. So I just put capital C here slash uh, Windows Windows and Windows. I have some system 32 system 32, and then I have some drivers drivers drivers. Then we have some etc. Let's see is this folder opening or not. Okay. Uh, no. Okay. So I need. It's a default folder. Let's say host. How many hosts is there I have here? No, that's not working. Okay, but here is nothing. Okay, so I think I put some wrong input here. PTC host. Okay, let's see. Oh, that's interesting. I got the copyright. That's mean the LFA vulnerability is working here, you know. So what we can do here, we can do something interesting. Okay, so we can put here, we can on our Python server on the shell, and then we can on the shell, and then we can try to run the PHP reverse shell. Um, that okay. I think that should be a good idea. Okay, let's see what inside that. Okay, so at first we need to check that it will fetch the Python server or not. So I think it should need to be stopped and ls and let's see. Let's see. We have some. Let's see. We have some HTTP. No, HTTP hyphen. Sorry, I need to start the Python server. Python hyphen m HTTP server. So Python server is on, and we need to put the URL here. So let's check it's working or not. HTTP slash slash what is my 9192.168.45.222 slash ht, and we have some file here. The file name is user list.txt. The file name sim list.txt. Okay, let's see is that working or not. Okay, yeah, it's working. My Python this will catch my that will catch my user list file. Okay, so what I need to right now, I need to make an shell. So I will make a virus for the Windows PC. Okay, I just put off the server off Python server, and we need to make a malware. So MSF Venom, we use MSF Venom, and we need some important things which is for PIMP Windows. We need Windows shell, so we also need Windows shell, and then we have some reverse TCP. Okay, we just need uh, change the IP. It's my hack the box IP. Okay, so we have some 192.168.445.220, and the L port is 1234. His extension is exe and reverse reaction or next. Okay, so I think my virus is ready to perform. Oh, yeah. What? Yeah. Sorry for the inconvenience. I'm so sorry for that. Okay, so RefShell is already here. Let's try. It will work or not. And okay, refshell.exe. It's run. Okay. Okay, but oh, that malware is not working. So let's try the PHP one. I think it's needed only the PHP file. Let's see. Okay, so we need to off the Python server again. Let's see. I need to PHP file. So upload some PHP file from the PHP. What's that? Let's go with refshell.com. We have some IBM 220, and we need some PHP shell here. So PHP. Okay, pentest monkey is too big, not needed that much of. I think it's enough. We need to execute the PHP shell under the shell exec. Okay, so we need to run the .exe file in the under the PHP file. Okay, so what we need to do, what we will do, I need to create a PHP shell on that. Okay, so for that you also need some important file here. Okay, so first of all I need to create a PHP shell. So I need to create a shell nano upload dot php, and then to create a PHP shell, so I have to use some basic knowledge of PHP shell. So I just put the PHP here, PHP, and I think this is wrong. Not to include that shell, and then I have some download. I need to download the ref shell download download equals to system. I will definitely provide you the ref shell in my comment box if you comment on my video in my stream. So I will provide you the exact reverse shell for you. We use certutil.exe for run the command, and then we need to catch the URL from the server. So use URL catch, and then we use split to split that, and then whatever we use for fetching the web server, mainly the by Python server 198.168.198. Okay, so I have some doing some silly mistakes here. Okay, 149 the okay, this is 49 dot 4945.220, and we need the refshell.exe shell dot refshell.exe uh, refshell.exe save in this format, and we will go close the shell here, and then we put another valuable thing which is val for some inclusion reasons. Okay, and we need some put thing. I think it's enough for getting a shell. Okay, okay, if we put what's that? Upload. Okay, we also need some. Okay, so we have our shell ready. So start the Python server here, and we will directly put the upload.php here. Upload.php. Oh my goodness, I don't want the. I can't get it now. What I will doing, man? Upload.php. Yeah, we got the shell. I think no, until not. Let's see. With this, we get the shell or not. Okay, root feature and record files. Okay, what's saying? Translate what? Okay. Each is this fetch file from the Windows, but it will not working. Mm, okay, I think I got the shell. Now the operation time out. Okay, so I think I need to create another shell, because it will put on the server but can't run. So we need to make an run file, run.php. Put inside the file, we will put some php here for putting to run. So php here, and then we put some $exec $exec equal to system ref shell exec $val. Let's try this file. I think it should work or not, but it can't fetch the, yeah, blue.html dot not can't fetch the uh, ref shell. Ref shell exe, but ref shell not exe, but it can't. Let's wait for the result, guys. Now let's try again. Okay, so it will get the upload.php file from my server, and let's try what it said the next time. Let's wait for the result, guys. If I get something interesting, that's good for me. Oh my goodness, the operation time is again out. Okay, I think I can't have the cert util. Let's see. Locate the cert util. Now I need the cert util sudo. I need to download the cert util exe.exe. Okay, I need to download. Actually, yeah, because of that I can't get it. GitHub. Actually, that's the main reason I think. Okay. Okay, I need to download the cert util for Fantastic. But still, more. Why this is not? I don't know. Okay, so I think the file is done, but the run file is not catched by the server. So let's try once more time with some run.php run.php. Let's see. Okay. I don't have any reverse shell on. So how that possible? This kind of silly mistakes. No, it's not working. It's never working now. It will can't fetch the rfshell.exe, so it will not working. Okay, so I think I made make some mistake here. So nano uh, cat upload.php. Okay, this is something I done mistakes here, so I need to check. Okay, I'll check the. I need to check the shell. Okay. Peach. Okay, so I made some mistakes in my PHP file. That's the reason I can't. I make. Okay, I use here exec. Sorry for the disturbance. Okay, check the val file here. There is a little bit of. Okay, okay. Okay, I make some mistakes here, so that's the reason the shell is not working. Okay. Hmm. Sort util sort util. Okay, everything else. Okay, okay, one of the reasons I put here the wrong IP. 9266. I think now it's going to be ready for the. Okay, battle is on. I off the file again and let's try. I think this time it should be work again. Let's run the upload.php successfully, and need to put here run.php. Okay, okay, yeah. After a lot of effort, I got the reverse shell. Yeah. So now it's time to exploit the administrator root access. So for that, we need to check some files. So cd. Okay, what happened? Okay, Slate. Okay, let's see what's is in here. Okay, directory. Okay, directories. Okay. So I think found something interesting. Okay, let's see what is in the cat output. Put text. If not working, though, I need to type output dot text. Okay, so if you want something interesting information here. Okay, username is Slort administration. Okay, execution policy bypass. Okay, intent.ps1. Yeah, that's some interesting files here. Okay, we see another find important interesting file here. See backup. Let's see what is inside the backup. Okay, so we found some backup.txt info.txt. Let's see what inside the backup.txt. Type backup.txt. Some server information. So let's see. Type info.txt. Okay, run every 5 minutes. See backup tftp. Oh my goodness. We got a startups. I mean, not start like kind of startup file folder exploration. So for that, we need to. So what we can do, we can easily do something interesting. In every 5 minutes, what it tells that in backup folder tftp executors is running in root access. So what we can do, we can easily doing that. We have some interesting file, and we have download exploit few times ago. So you can easily replace the virus from the malware. Like I will doing like that. Okay, I will show you. So what's the file name? Like virus is recognizable. Yeah, that's right. We have to check the file. cd. Okay, okay. What's happened? What the ls? Okay, the directory is not supported, so we need to use the directories. So you just move the ref shell.exe. You just move the ref shell.exe from C back up. Yeah, I think it's yeah. So let's go to the backup folder. We need to override the ref shell.exe from tftp. Oh my goodness, I'm doing a lot of mistakes. What the fuck is it? Oh, we need to move the tft slash to tftp dot exe. Okay, so before that, we also need some exploit here. What's exploit here? We need to set the reverse shell here. Reverse shell. Let's try. Yeah, directories, and let's now wait for 5 minutes. What's the result inside? I will show you. If I got root access, then definitely congratulations. Okay, so let's see, who am I? Yeah, we got the administrator access, and that is easy, very easy box, we kind of say, and that is one of the interesting box. So thank you so much for watching the stream, and if you love the stream, so definitely subscribe our channel. And